mentioned local control. And I'm not sure I understand who makes the depredation decision. Is that the director or somewhere down the line? What's it based on?
Chair Finley, Commissioner Weber, I'll try and briefly describe the situation.
Yeah, I want brief. But
Yeah. After the depredation investigation is completed, all the paperwork is filled out and submitted to the Wolf Program Office in LeGrand. All the evidence is reviewed. They collaborate and work on the paperwork, make sure that the language is consistent. If there's any glaring holes or issues, or the staff that are much more familiar with these depredation investigations, they see if there's any holes or clarifications that they're looking for, immediate questions that pop up. But it's a determination by our staff. And so really, the determination is made pretty much at the last possible, as quickly and efficiently as possible, but we want to make sure we have all the evidence present before we make that determination.